Technology in Front YouTube channel. How to be safe.
How to be safe. First of all, let me talk what is construction site safety. Construction site safety is one of construction activities concerned with protecting construction site workers and others outside of the site. These we used to call the third parties from this injury, disease, or other health related risks. Let me repeat. Construction site safety is one of construction activities concerned with protecting construction site workers and others third party from death, injury, disease, or other health related risks. This is construction site safety. Okay, this is construction site safety. How can you be safe in your construction site? How can you be safe in your construction site? In order to be safe in your construction site, during working your daily activities, please follow 10 simple construction site safety rules. Follow 10 simple construction site safety rules. 10 simple construction site safety rules. 10 simple construction site safety rules. Number 1. Wear your PPE at all times. In forward, wear your personal protective equipment at all times. Number 2. Do not start work without an induction. Number 3. Keep a tidy site. Number 4. Do not put yourself or others at risk. Number 5. Follow safety signs and procedures. Number 6. Never work in unsafe areas. 7. Report defects and near misses. 8. Never tamper with equipments. 9. Use the right equipments. 10. If in doubt, ask. In our 10 simple construction site safety rules, number 1 is PPEs. Please wear your PPE. So, let us talk all PPEs, personal protective elements. Number 1 of them, please wear safety helmets. Second, wear eye protection. Third, wear earplugs. Fourth, wear dust mask when necessary. 5. Wear fitted working clothes. Number 6. Wear harness. Harness, some they call it safety belt, but as our number 6, it is harness. Number 7. Button sleeves. Number 8. Wear safety gloves when necessary. Number 9. Wear safety shoes. Number 10. Wear reflector jacket. All these are ones of personal protective elements. Thank you to watch this video. I would like you to like, to comment, to share, and subscribe on our Technology in Front YouTube channel. Thank you very much.